Okay, now expand and simplify, so that means I need to multiply the brackets. You may want to put them into grids. Some people like the grids like this, and x plus 7 and x plus 2, and then do that. I like this way. So x times x is x squared. That would be plus 2x. But I'm doing it every time I put the line, that's when I work it out. Plus 7x, and then finally plus 7 times 2, that would be plus 14. Got to simplify it. So that'll be x squared plus 9x's plus 14. And here I've got to factorise this completely. And so what goes into both of these? Well, 2 goes into both of them. So I take out a 2 and an x goes in there as well. So 2x times by x gives me a 2x squared. 2x is going to be a minus. 2x times is going to have to be a 3 to get the number up to 6. I've got the x and I need a y in there as well. Just check 2x squared minus 6xy. Good. Here I've got to solve this. Anytime I've got a quadratic, so I've got x squared, I'm always going to want to put it equal to 0. So it'll give me x squared plus 5x minus 24 equals 0. And I'm expecting this to be factorised. It's a non-calculated paper after all. And so I'm going to have x like so, and x in 2 brackets, that equals 0. How do I get 24? Well, it'll be the number times the number will give me 24. So it can either be 1 and 24, or 2 and 12, or 3 and 8, or 4 and 6. It's negative 24, so 1 must be plus and 1 must be minus. I've got to choose numbers which are somehow going to give me this 5. Pretty obviously, it's going to be 3 and 8. And I want it to be plus 5x, so 8, the bigger one, is going to be plus and the other one will be minus. And now I've got something times by something equals 0, so that will say that either the first one, so either x minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 8 equals 0. And so that means I add 3 to both sides, that gives me x equals 3, or take away 8 from both sides, or x equals negative 8. And so that's the answer. I solved it, x equals 3, or x equals negative 8. And that's 12 done.